this is a pre-flight medical check. And when I asked what actually is happening, she says they do something like take your pulse. Good morning. I'm standing in the square in Ulan Ude in front of Lenin's head. This is one of 40 and I believe the biggest in Russia. Today we're off to a place called Chita. The weather looks a little bit overcast, but I think we're ahead of it once we leave.
We approach Chita. This is the gorgeous views of this beautiful landscape that we can see. And it's been like this for the last hour. Very lovely sunny conditions now.
We've landed in Chita on a lovely sunny day. And you can just see behind me there is a Mi-8 starting up, or one of the variants thereof.